Mabuhay, everybody. Thursday afternoon on the farm. Conditioning the roosters today. We're down to 7. So we gotta get rid of 2 more. Figure out which 2 we're gonna take out. We're only fighting 5 on the 17th. They all look nice. Went to town again yesterday for the 3rd day in a row. Ended up getting some crocodile boards. Finally put my shelves up in here. They have a table saw there, but they have it fixed so you can't adjust it. Only in the Philippines. So they had they cut it by hand and it's not even. But oh well. Got the garage cleaned up. I bleached the floor today. Kill anything that's on the floor. Show you guys the pig pen. It's coming along. Ramon Bachai did some weed whacking today. Got everything looking real nice. All up by the teepees. You broke your sled. Here, go down the hill. Go down the hill. Go down the hill. Let's see. One, 2, 3. Woo! Look how deep these ruts are. Get these filled in. Stops raining. I think I looked at the weather forecast. It's supposed to rain the next 4 days or something. Wi-Fi has been terrible lately here. Oh my God, they dumped the sand right in the middle of the road. Jeez. Hey, they dumped the sand right in the middle of the road. Oh well. Coming right along, guys. Check it out. Hey, George. Hey, George. Okay. Yeah, I've been digging dirt from over here to fill in.
What's that?
Lagoon? Ah, that's too close. You got food all over her head. She's ready to have some babies, huh? Well, how long before you impregnate these?
Probably January 31.
January 31.
And they're next in here.
So we'll have 4 pregnant sows all at once. Hopefully. So one we kept out of the last batch. Big one. So these will be 2 more fattening pens here. Here's the 2 little piglets. Got 1 sow, only had 2 piglets. She just took them off their mom, weaned them off their mom a few days ago. Backfill all this. We're just gonna cement the middle of this all the way up, so that any rain come down, just go down here into the ravine. No. Guys are about to wrap it up for the day. They're ready for some gin. Huh? Guys are ready to drink.
Full back.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take you up to the house. Show you what's going on up there. Be right back. All right, guys, back at the house. What do you got there?
Your finger.
You got my finger? Oh. Another purchase we made was we got a king-size mattress. This thing weighs probably, seriously, about 220 pounds. It's heavy as heavy. Maybe there's a dead body in there or something. I don't know. It's a heavy mattress. It's supposed to have springs in it and some kind of poly foam. I don't know. But this was like $250 for this mattress. It's pretty reasonable here. All appliances here are extremely expensive for some reason. Like our little stove. We paid $500 for this little stove. US. $500. Just imagine the stove you buy in America for $500. Take you upstairs. I think the bathroom's about finished. Well, thank you, sir. The door's on today. Door handles. Nice. Rods, putting up curtain rods. We got the double doors here. Check them out, guys. We gotta figure out what kind of latch we're gonna put on here. It's kind of like barn doors. That's what the wife picked out. John Ray, you cleaning up? What's wrong with you? Bathroom. It's dirty. Got the vanity in now. With the mirror. Looks pretty good. I had a little bit of a water leak, so letting this dry out. So yeah, this fits perfect. Jeez, who's that fat guy? Huh? Get this air out. Yeah, this thing here, I don't know. This is just like plywood with, I don't know, it's a particle board. But this setup here, the vanity and the mirror, I think it's like almost $600 for this stupid thing. And we had to buy our own faucet. It's nice. Dirty. Got the water heater ready to go. This thing stays on all the time, or ooh, it's hot. That one works good. I guess it just stays on all the time. I don't know. Have to read the instructions. All the doors are on, all the handles. Curtain rods are up. We got the mattress, AC. We got some visitors coming Sunday, guys, from the US. So we're gonna make a video of that. Our first US visitors that are staying for a couple of days. All right, guys, just a quick video, show you the progress. So maybe I'll take a video One of my friends right here. All right, guys. Have a good day. See ya. Later.